Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll resolve one particular error, that is module not found error, open clip. So I'm trying to execute that particular project and facing that error. So let's open in terminal here and then write python space app.py, and we are getting that particular error. So the model will load and it is giving the error, module not found error, no module name, open clip. So first you have to check that Python is installed or not. We have to click on the Windows key and then write edit environment variable. Okay, so just click on the particular thing and then click on the environment variable. Double click on the path. See, Python 3.10 is already installed. Just double click on that and copy that location and then click on cancel. Cancel. So just paste the location here and enter. Now see, Python 3.10 is already installed and script folder is already there. So both the location is already added in the environment variable. So don't worry about the Python. Now let's install the OpenClip library, that is pip install open underscore clip underscore torch. Then hit enter. So it is installing the OpenClip torch, beam, torch vision. Now successfully installed. And so this will be the error, module not found error, no module name, OpenClip. And this is the solution. We have to install that particular library. Pip install OpenClip underscore torch. Okay. If you're facing that type of error, then you can check it out that particular video. And if you have more doubts, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or you can comment in the comment section. If you want any type of project in computer science domain, then you can contact us. We are providing projects in multiple domains in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI neural network, Java, mobile development, or app development. Okay. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.